Welcome back. Let's talk commodities now. Manisha is joining in and she's focusing in on Bitcoin. Manisha, why is that?
Well, that is because we've seen very strong gains in the overnight market, and Bitcoin, with where it's trading right now, very close to 71,000, is just 3% away from its all-time highs of around 73,700 that it hit in March in previous year. But the gains have been very strong. One, there's a lot of short covering happening. Second, there's a lot of inflows when you look at Bitcoin ETFs as well in the global markets. When you look at the last 12 months or so, many of these cryptocurrencies actually have done quite well. In the US markets, depending on who comes, they have been in favor of cryptocurrencies. We've seen positive cues come in from Europe as well, and that clearly has been supportive, the rally in many of these cryptocurrencies there. So when you look at the last 1 year, Bitcoin prices have gained up by more than 105%. There's been a 160% jump in sense of Binance, and the best of gains clearly coming in for the platform Solana, which is gained up by 400%. Ether, which is the second largest when it comes to market capital within cryptocurrencies, also has jumped up by 45%. So very strong gains coming in across cryptocurrencies in the last 1 year as well. When you look at the inflows itself into the market, well, it has been 47,000 Bitcoin in 2 weeks is what we've sensed in sense of ETFs there. The upcoming US elections is going to be quite important, as I said, and that would tell you on whether or not and what kind of regulations do we see coming in for this one. But October as a month has always been positive. When you look at the last 20 years, out of that, 17 years have given you positive returns in the month of October for Bitcoin there. For this year as well, we've seen nearly 10% of gains already happen in the month of October, but as you can see, it has been very strong months there. 2023 in sense of October was 28% of gains. So as you can see, it has been very strong always every year for the month of October that you see gains coming in, and that's exactly what we are witnessing right now as well.
Okay, so deja vu, that's what we are witnessing. Thank you so much, Manisha. You know, I thought you'll talk about gold, but Bitcoin has its own story today. But thanks a lot for joining us with all those details. That's about the commodity space and the move.